Who am I?
Please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications about all our upcoming videos.
Who am I? I was nothing. I become something. Who am I? I will be something for some time and finally I will be nothing. Who am I? I was not existing. I came into existence. Who am I? I will exist for some time and again I will lose my existence. I enjoyed my every birthday, but I forgot that I was taken near to my death day. I am living as such. I have to stay here permanently. But the fact is, I am a temporary identity and my identity will be lost permanently. So finally, who am I? I am not having control on my birth. I am not having control on my living. I am not having control on my death. I am generated. I am being operated. I am going to be destroyed. So finally, why I came? I came to identify, recognize and worship my generator, my operator, my destroyer. This is the actual purpose of my life because God is everything and without God, generator, operator, destroyer, I am nothing. But I was busy with other purposes and I spent all my life in ignorance. I thought I will stay here forever, but I lost myself forever. I failed to identify my Creator God who made me. I am what I am. So finally, where will I go? I have to die irrespective of my degree. I have to live irrespective of my luxuries. I have to return to God irrespective of my financial returns. I cannot come back and I will have no second chance. I should identify, recognize and worship the Creator God to succeed in this life and in my hereafter life. Otherwise, I will fail in this life and in my hereafter life forever. I should make use of my life in building my successful hereafter life. My dear friend, I want you to please think and ponder on this fact. Worship the Creator God, but not His creations. Strive always to excel in virtue and truth. Try and try until you die. Take care, my friend.